The topic this week in the class of science is what is matter. We are going to be on a new kind of topics, okay? These ones are the ones in charge of making experiments and creating things different, okay? To start, we have three objectives. Number one says that you guys are going to be able to learn how mass and volume are different. Number two, what physical properties of matter are. And number three, what mixtures and solutions are. Now that we are here, I'm going to explain you the last one, what mixtures and solutions are. When you make a salad, imagine you are cutting the tomatoes, the onions maybe, I don't know what things you put on your salad, but imagine you are cutting the vegetables you are gonna eat on your salad. And you put them all together. That is a mixture, okay? Because they are all together, but if you want, you can eat some kind of things and you're gonna leave the others there. You're gonna still have the same things. Now, when we are talking about a solution, it can be of liquids. If you combine Coke, Coca-Cola, and water, you're gonna have a solution because once they are combined, you cannot put them separated again, okay? And I'm gonna show you what's the difference between mass and volume, okay? I'm gonna tell you guys that volume is how big a thing can be, okay? For example, a bowl. The bowls got a circular volume and they can be small or they can be big, okay? We can say that volume is kind of the size of something. Here we have our vocabulary word. Number one, it's matter. As you can see, matter is a thing, okay? Whatever thing that it can be on different states. Have you ever heard about the states of matter? A matter can be in solid, liquid, or gas. And the best example to show you what is matter is with water. If we put water on the refrigerator, we can have solid, okay? We can have ice cube. That's an example of matter, solid. If we leave the water on its normal way, we're gonna have liquid. Now, imagine mom puts water in the stove. The water is gonna become gas, okay? It's gonna evaporate. So we have three different states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. And we can prove it with different things, okay? In classical physics and general chemistry, matter is any substance that has mass and takes up space by having volume, okay? So, we are having right now a combination of what it can be physics and chemistry when you guys grow up, okay? But right now we are just seeing a normal review about these topics. The next word is mass. And as you can see, the picture has a question, mass or weight. As you can see, the weight is the amount a thing can be, okay? If it's 10 grams, 20 grams, 1 kilogram, and the mass is the thing you want to know the weight, okay? So mass is both a property of a physical body and a measure of its resistance to accelerate when a net force is applied. And the last word is mass, okay? As you can see on this picture, we have a cube, right? But the cube is drawn in a way that you can see every dimension, right? So that is a mass. The space a thing can get, okay? And we have that the mass is the amount of space that a substance or object occupies that is enclosed within a container. So we can see there That's the mass, okay? All that cube, everything that can be inside, it's gonna be the mass.